All right, my fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. So it's Wednesday, guys. The Fed's announcement's finally in. So they're going to be raising interest rates by 75 basis points, all right? All right, so this is going to be a high volatility day. So you'll have major swings in either direction, up and down. So be careful. Don't invest all your money, especially right now. Give it a little time. That way we can get a sense of direction of where the market wants to head. All right, so let's go live to listen in on the Fed's decision to raise interest rates by 75 basis points. Okay, let's go to Yahoo Finance.
The administration appears to be doing several things that try to address that. I'll tell you, my concern is that the Fed is taking on most of the responsibility, almost all of the responsibility for inflation, when their tools are designed just to deal with the demand side, not the supply side.
Did you hear what this guy just said? That the Fed is taking responsibility. Absolutely, they should take responsibility. All that easy monetary policy that they had is what created inflation in the first place. So the only way to tame that is interest rates. All right, guys, so keep on listening in.
Administration or from Congress that could bring down prices?
You know, I think the key price issues for most households in America are gasoline prices and food prices.
Up over 30%, by the way, guys, and not coming down anytime soon.
And other decisions, including foreign policy decisions, that can be made that might have some effect in the relative near term on those two categories of purchases.
What should people expect, though, once they hear this headline number out at the moment?
Well, I think the important thing is behind us is this debate of 50 versus 75. I think that was a pretty seminal moment when the Federal Reserve used the mainstream business media to essentially plant that they had altered their forward guidance just days ahead of a meeting. So now we know it's 75. We can move on from that. I think what's most important is how Chairman Powell supports the summary of economic projections, the dots, so to speak. That's a powerful tool for the Fed. They can now communicate a projected policy path. It's not a promised path, but a projected one.
Exactly what I'm talking about. Look at these major swings. Up and down, up and down, up and down. That's exactly what you're going to see throughout the day and throughout the week. Now that the Fed has made their announcement, they're most likely going to continue to be aggressive with interest rate hikes. They have to tame this inflation, or else it's going to send the economy spiraling downward, all right? So we may be coming into a pivotal moment where the market's going to go ahead and turn around and rally. It could be a little dead cat bounce, or it could be a sustained rally, all right? Now that the market knows there's a little less uncertainty about what the Fed wants to do, now that they know that they're going to be more aggressive with interest rate hikes, they'll go ahead and do that. The market could have that for certainty. So that releases some of the uncertainty in the market right now, all right? So go ahead, prepare your money, invest it if you can. If you can, utilize my stair-step method right now to get back into the market slowly. So prepare your cash, get into a lot of deals that are out there right now. A lot of these stocks are down 70, 80%, which will have a major bounce back. Some of the major stocks, like look at the Qs, the SPY, the Dow, Tesla, Square down to $62 from $290, Apple from $180 to $133, Google from almost close to $3,000 to $2,100. IWM from 240 something to 170. Amazon almost cutting 50% of its gains throughout the year. Let's go back to a month. Let's go back to a year. $188 all-time high to 101 just of recently, all right? So it's almost cutting half of its gains in less than 3 months. All right, so prepare your money. There'll be spectacular opportunities coming up pretty soon. So this is going to be the biggest wealth transfer perhaps in history. All right, so this is going to be a significant opportunity to capture major gains on this wealth transfer that's occurring right now. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next video.